Good morning children. What we got learned in the previous class? We learned different types of insects in our surroundings. So insects are very small living creatures with 6 legs. So animals our friend. So first we learn insects and then today we are going to learn a very interesting topic and then this is one of the animals also. Okay, yeah. So we are going to learn birds. Okay, all of you like birds? Yes. So birds are many different types of birds in our surroundings. So they make our world cheerful and colorful. So different colors of birds, different types of birds. Some birds are very small, some of them big, and then some of them are brown color. So different colors of birds also see in our surroundings. And then insects. Today we are going to learn birds and then birds in our surroundings. Lesson 9, birds. Birds, today we are going to learn only one subheadings, birds in our surroundings. In our surroundings. And then we see different types of birds around us. So some birds are different color, shapes, and then some of them some of them fly and then some of them cannot fly. Okay, yeah. So all birds have feathers. Okay, all birds have feathers and then however but all of them do not fly. Some birds don't fly. Okay, for example kiwi, emu. So these type of birds do not fly. And then birds in our surroundings. So what are the birds see in our surroundings? Some birds we daily we can see some birds, crows, hens also birds. Okay, crows, hens, sparrows, pigeons, doves, and then parrots. Okay, we see different types of birds in our surroundings. So these birds are more commonly seen in our country. So these birds are commonly in our country. Wherever we go, we see these birds. Okay, yeah. So let us learn about different types of let us learn about the different body parts of a bird. Let us learn about different body parts of a bird. Okay, a bird has 2 eyes. Okay, a bird has 2 eyes and a beak. Okay, and a beak to catch and eat food. How to eat food for bird? Birds catch food their beaks. Okay, using their beaks and catch the food. So a bird has 2 eyes and a beak to catch and eat food. And then a beak has 2 tiny openings. The beak has 2 tiny openings which help them to breathe. So this is the breathing organ of bird. Okay, so the bat can also breathe by keeping their beaks open. Okay, so the beaks open mandrappo, so the bats are breathing. Okay, bats has 2 eyes and a beak to catch and eat food. Catch and eat food. And then the tiny openings, the bird also has 2 tiny openings on the beak. Okay, adoda beak la 2 tiny openings irukudhu. So that is which helps them to breathe. So adha the bird vandu breathe pandradhukku help pannudhu. So these beaks, the 2 tiny when the birds also breathe by keeping their beaks opening when it open. Okay ma, so bird has tiny openings on the beak help them to breathe. Which help them to breathe. So the bats can also breathe. The bat can also have a beak. It keeping their beaks open. It's breathe. So இது எப்போ breathe பண்ணனும்? So அதோட beaks open பண்றப்போ, so the nostrils மூலமா, so the tiny holes மூலமா the birds can breathe. And then that bird have a two kinds of limbs. The birds also have a two kinds of limbs. So limbs means what? So legs and hands are known as நம்மளோட கை கால்களை தான் நம்ம limbs சொல்றோம். So the bird has the birds has a pair of forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs na முன்னங்கால், hind limbs na பின்னால உள்ள கால். Okay, so birds has a pair of forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs and hind limbs. Hind limbs. The forelimbs, okay, so the forelimbs are modified into wings. So bats la pathina the forelimbs the wings are modified aayirukkum. The forelimbs are modified into wings which help them to fly. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Wings which help them to breathe, which help them to fly. Which help them to fly. And then the wings are attached to the wings are attached some feathers. Okay, the wings are attached to feathers. And then the hind limbs are hind limbs or the legs which help them walk, perch and climb. Climb on trees. Okay, so do you know this word perch means what? So perch na adoda rest of the time la adu enna pannu plants in the wire la some the branches trees oda branches la hold their glass. So tanoda glass hold panni ukandirukradhukku, so these legs are helps. So the hind limbs are help. Okay, hind limbs na pinnal adoda kaalgal, so or the legs which help them to, what are the uses of that legs are used to walk, perch and climb on trees la mela ஏறதுக்கும், and then the rest of the time hold the tree branches. Okay, so that legs are used to walk, perch and climb on trees. Okay, so these are all the body features of the bird. Okay, yeah, a bird has two eyes. Okay, bird has two eyes and a beak which help them to catch and eat food. The beak to catch and eat food. The beak has two tiny openings, and then the beak has two tiny openings which help them to breathe. So bat can also breathe by keeping their beaks open. Okay, by keeping their beaks open. And then another one important point, most of the birds do not have external ears. Okay, most of the birds do not have external ears, and then the bird can also two tiny openings near the eyes. Okay, bird can also two tiny openings near the eyes. So இந்த eyes பக்கத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா small tiny openings இருக்கும். So these tiny openings are covered with feathers. So அது என்ன செய்யிருக்கும், feathers ஆல covered பண்ணியிருக்கும். And then these tiny openings are called this is help them to hear. Okay, இதுதான் என்ன செய்யுது, these organs help them to hear. Okay, so most of the birds do not have external ears. External means what? Outside la ears irukadu birds ku. So these some birds have two tiny openings near the eyes. Eyes பக்கத்துல small, tiny means small openings, that the openings are covered with feathers. அது feathers ஆல covered ஆயிருக்குது. And then these organs helps us to hear the sound. அதுதான் என்ன செய்யும், bird-க்கு sounds இது பண்றதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. Okay, these organs help them to hear. And then this is the external features of birds. And then next we learn how do birds fly. So first we learn feathers of birds. After that we learn how do birds fly. First we learn feathers of birds. Feathers of birds. Birds helps them to the feathers of birds. Okay, the feathers of birds not only help to fly. Okay, so the feathers of bird not only help to fly the birds, but also keep them warm. So இது வந்து fly பண்றதுக்கு மட்டும் இல்ல, so the feathers also keep their body warm. So the bird oda body warm ஆ வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு the feathers are help. Okay, so the feathers of birds, not only help them to move, so not only help them to fly, and also helps the bird's body warm. The bird's body warm. Okay, so they are found in many colors, shapes and sizes. Okay, so the feathers are covered in different colors, shapes and sizes. They are found in many shapes, colors and sizes. Okay, yeah. So the feathers are different colors, different size, different shapes. Okay. For example, the parrot feathers are green in color, and then the sparrow's feathers are brown colors, and then the crow's feathers are black colors. So the crow's feathers are just big. Okay, and then that sparrow's feathers are just smaller than crow's feathers, and then so these are the different size and colors and shapes. Okay, and then there are three different types of feathers on bird's body. Okay, there are three different types of feathers on a bird's body. There are three different feathers on bird's body. Okay, yeah. So three types of feathers on bird's body. One is body feathers, and then another one is down feathers, and the next one is flight feathers. Okay, so first we learn body feathers. Body feathers. Okay, so body feathers are cover the bird's body and give the shape of the bird. Okay, and give the boat the curved shape. Okay, the body feathers தான் என்ன பண்ணா bird ஓட full that body full cover பண்ணி, so it's give a curved shape. So that body feathers only give the curved shape of a bird. Okay, yeah. So body feathers are cover the body of the bird and give the curved shape. And the bird oda shape kudukuradhu, so that body feathers curved shape. And then next one is the down feathers. Down feathers are soft and fluffy. Okay, down feathers are soft and fluffy and that give the bird's body warm and keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers are soft and fluffy. Soft and fluffy and keep the bird's body warm. Bird's body warm. Okay, yeah. Down feathers. So the birds oda adila pathina nalla appdi pushiya alaga soft irukum feathers. So that is called the down feathers. And then next one is the flight feathers. Next we learn flight feathers. And then next one is the flight feathers. Okay, that flying feathers are found on wings and tail. Okay, so that flight feathers are found on the bird's body la enga irukudhu, tail layum wings layum irukudhu. Okay, yeah. So that flight feathers are found on wings and tail, and then they are it helps that these feathers are flat and long. Okay, so the flight feathers are flat and long feathers. Okay, it helps them to fly the bird. Okay, the bird fly pandradhukku, so this one is help. Okay, yeah. So that flight feathers are found on tail and wings. Tail and wings. Okay, these feathers okay, these feathers are flat and long. Flat and long. And helps them to fly. இது எதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது? So the bird fly பண்றதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. Okay, these feathers are flat and long and the birds help them to fly. The birds helps them to fly. Okay, yeah. So this is a fly feathers. This is a flight feathers. Okay, that flight feathers are flat and long. And then first one is the body feathers. That for body feathers are Okay, so this is a body feathers, and then next one is a down feathers. The down feathers are soft and fluffy. Very soft feathers. Okay, so down feathers are soft and fluffy. Okay, yeah. So that flight feathers are found on tail and wings. These feathers are flat and long, and the birds help them to fly. Okay, so that flight feathers helps the birds to fly. Okay, yeah. So feathers of birds, once again I explained. So that the feathers of birds not only help them to fly and keep the bird's body warm. Adoda body warm vechukradhukku help பண்ணுது. And then they have they are found in many shapes, colors and sizes, and then there are three types of feathers. One is the body feather, another one is a down feather, another one is a flight feathers. Okay, the body feathers or cover the body of the bird and give the curved shape, and the bird ஒரு curved shape கொடுக்குது, ஒரு boat மாதிரி ஒரு shape கொடுக்குறது. So that is the body feathers. And then next one is the down feathers. Down feathers are soft and fluffy and keeps the bird's body warm, and keeps the bird's body warm. And the next one is the flight feathers. Flight feathers are found on tail and wings. These feathers are flat and long. Okay, these feathers are flat and long, and then it helps the birds to fly. Okay, so the flight feathers helps the birds to fly. Okay, and then next we learn birds how to fly. Okay, yeah. Okay, birds fly using their wings. So we know very well birds fly using their wings. So the wings are covered with feathers. So the wings are covered with feathers, and then the boat shaped body. The birds have a boat shaped body to move forward, and it make that move forward, and it used to down, and then that fly. Okay, and which help them to move forward. So the birds have a boat shaped body which help them to make it move forward. And the next one is that birds have the hollow bones. Hollow means empty. So that bones inside of that human beings and animals, bones are have that bone marrow. Inside the bones have a bone marrow, but that bird's bone is a hollow bones filled with air. So the bone inside of bone is filled with air. So that is the bones are called the hollow bones. Okay, ma. So birds fly using their wings. The wings are covered with feathers. Feathers is give a shape. So already we know. So the body feathers give the shape of the curved shape of the bird, and the bird ku or curve mari or shape kudukkradhu body feathers. And then so the boat shaped, the boats that birds are also in boat shaped. The boat shaped body is help them to move forward. So and the boat shaped irukradanaala adhu enna cheyudu easy forward munnala paathu fly agradhukku, so air push பண்ணிட்டு fly agradhukku help பண்ணுது. Okay, birds fly using their wings. Fly using their wings. Wings. The wings are covered with feathers. So this is a wings. So this is a wings. The wings are covered with feathers. The wings are covered with feathers. Birds fly using their wings. The wings are covered with feathers, and then the boat shape. The birds have boat shaped body. Boat shaped body. Birds have boat shaped body which help them to move forward. So அதோட பாடி வந்து நல்ல boat shape இருக்கிறதுனால so அது என்ன செய்யுது which help them to move forward. Move forward. Forward means what? முன்னால fly பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்குது. And then that birds have a hollow bones. The birds க்கு என்ன மாதிரி bones இருக்குதுமா? Hollow bones filled with air. So hollow means the bones fully filled with air. Birds have hollow bones. Hollow bones filled with air. Filled with air, and then the hollow bones is help them to these bones help them to fly easily. Is give a light weight in bird's body. These bones are light in weight. These bones are light in weight. அதோட weight வந்து இந்த bones ஓட weight light இருக்குது. So these bones are light in weight which help them to fly. So இது வந்து help பண்றதுக்கு easy. அதோட fly பண்றதுக்கு so easy இருக்குது. So which help them to fly. Help them to fly. And then that next one is that birds have flight muscles. Okay, so that birds have flight muscles. Flight muscles birds have flight muscles which are attached to their wings. So that flight muscles, the birds oda muscles, the flight muscles இருக்குது. So இது எங்க இருக்குதுன்னா so அதோட wingsல birds oda wings, that flight muscles are attached to their wings. So இது என்ன பண்ணுது, it helps them to flap their birds. Flap னா அப்படியே அது அப்படியே மூவ் ஆகுறதுக்கு தன்னோட wings flap பண்ணி அடிச்சிட்டு போறதுக்கு is use, which are attached to the that muscles which are attached to their wings. Okay, so attached to their wings. These muscles, these flight muscles, these muscles helps the bird flap their wings. Okay, so these muscles help the birds to flap their wings. அதோட தன்னோட wings fly பண்ணிட்டு போறதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. ஓகேயா? So how do birds fly? Birds fly using their wings. So they have a boat shaped body. The wings are covered with feathers and the birds have a boat shaped body which help them to move forward. So birds oda body வந்து boat shaped இருக்கனால it help them to move forward. And then that birds have a hollow bones. Birds have a hollow bone filled with air. These bones are light in weight. So in the bone, the birds oda bones வந்து light weight இருக்கிறதுனால so they easily fly, நல்லா fly பண்றதுக்கு help பண்ணுது. And then which are attached to their, next one is a flight muscles. Okay, so next birds have a flight muscles. அதோட muscles flight பண்றதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. So these muscles are attached to their wings. So these muscles help the bird to flap their wings, and then like flight feathers. Okay, so earlier we learn so that flight muscles மாதிரியே so that flight feathers மாதிரியே flight muscles also help them to the bird is help to fly high soar நல்ல உயரமா fly பண்றதுக்கும் and then ஈஸியா land ஆகுறதுக்கும் is helped. Okay, so these flight muscles help them to fly very high, okay, high soar and then easily land. And then next the birds or exhibit two movements, okay, birds or exhibit two movements. So movements in the while flying, so fly பண்ணும்போது two movements காட்டும் birds. ஸோ நம்மளாம் ஈஸியாக பார்த்துக்கலாம். சம்டைம்ஸ் பேர்ட்ஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அப்படி தன்னோட விங்ஸை வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி வச்சுக்கிட்டே போகும், இப்படி ஃப்ளாப் பண்ணாமல் ஸோ இப்படி மூவ் ஆகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ டவுன் ஸ்ட்ரோக். அண்ட் தென் அனதர் ஒன் சம்டைம்ஸ் த பேர்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஃப்ளை தியர் விங்ஸ் ஃப்ளாப். So this is a upstroke. So birds exhibit two movement in while flying. அது fly பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு two movements பார்க்கலாம். So one is upstroke, another one is a downstroke. So the upstroke means this movement helps the bird fly and then their wings, okay, their flap their wings. So that upstroke movement, this movement birds are using their wings flap and then flap in an up and down movement, okay, up and down movement, up na mela fly பண்றது, up and down movement and then pushing their body downward. So தன்னோட பாடியை கீழே கொண்டு வரதுக்கு so using this movement, okay, and then this upstroke movement is help them to move fastly and then help to fly, okay, இது எதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் ஈஸியாக லேண்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. And the next one is the downstroke movement. So in this movement downstroke, so this movement birds flap their stretches their wings. Stretches na enadhu அப்படி விரிச்சே வச்சிருக்கோம். flap na இப்படி அடிச்சிட்டு போறது, stretches na தன்னோட wings வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி பண்ணி கொண்டு போகும். Okay, so this is a downstroke. So downstroke movement, bird stretches their wings and then pushing the air downward, forward and glides down. Glides na அப்படி கீழே பார்த்து sometimes சறுக்கிட்டு போகிறதுக்கே so யூஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ இதான் என்னது two movements, okay, birds exhibit two movement while flying. அது fly பண்ணும்போது two movements பார்க்கலாம். one is a upstroke, another one is a downstroke. Birds exhibit two movement, one is a upstroke movement, another one is a exhibit means காட்டுறது, அப்படியே நம்மளுக்கு பார்க்குறப்ப தெரியும். ஓகே, birds exhibit two movement. Two movement while flying. While flying, one is upstroke. Okay, upstroke. So this movement birds flap their wings in an up and down movement up and down motion and pushing the air downward. air வந்து இப்படி downward பண்றதுக்கு downwards. And then next one is so this movement helps to easily easily land while flying. And then next one is a downstroke. Downstroke. This movement helps to birds stretches their wings. அப்படியே விரிச்சு வச்சிட்டே தான் இருக்கும். Birds stretches their wings and pushing the air downward, forward, and glides down. கீழே பார்த்து சறுக்கிக்கிட்டே வரதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது and glides down. So this is a birds flying movement. Okay, yeah. So birds க்கு வந்து hollow bones இருக்குது. So that bones are give their body is light in weight and then it helps us to fly easily. And then birds also have a flight muscles. So these muscles are attached to their wings. So this is help the birds to fly. So flap their wings. So தன்னோட wings ஈஸியா flap பண்றதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. And then birds exhibit two movement. One is upstroke movement, another one is a downstroke movement. So upstroke movement னா so bird வந்து தன்னோட feathers வந்து flap பண்ணிக்கிட்டே போகும், அப்படி அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே போறது upstroke movement. And then downstroke movement means sometimes birds stretches their wings. அதோட wings வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே downwardல போகும், forwardல போகும், and then glides அப்படியே சறுக்கிக்கிட்டே கீழே பார்த்து வர மாதிரி. glideனா இது பண்றது சறுக்குறது, and then glides down. So these are all the birds fly. Okay, how do birds fly? Okay, yeah. So and then next, so first we learn the parts of the bird, and then the feathers of birds we learn. Next we learn how do birds fly. Okay, so finally we label the parts of a bird. First, this one is what? This part is what? This one is a head. Okay, spell the word head. H-E-A-D, head. And then this one is a beak. This one is a beak. And then next this one is eyes. Birds have two. How many eyes birds have? Birds have two eyes. And then this part is a wings. This is the birds oda wings. Spell the word wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. And then this one is a leg. Okay, legs. And then this one is a glass. Okay, bats oda and நகம் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல, so that is called a claw. அதை வந்து toes னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகேமா, glass, C-L-A-W-S, glass. And then okay, so this is a down feathers coming here. So this is the parts of a bird. A bird have two eyes, the beak, and then wings, legs, and then claws. Okay, so these are all the parts of a bird. Okay ma, I hope all of you understood this topic very well. So this is a very interesting topic. So this topic we learn three subheadings. One is a body parts of a bird, and then how feathers of birds, and then how do birds fly. So this is very interesting topic. So all of you learn very well. Okay, so thank you.